In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your account in Cursor AI. Whether you're looking to switch from a personal to a work account, or perhaps you need to log into a different profile for a specific project, this guide will walk you through the steps. It's straightforward and quick, so let's dive right in. To begin with, you'll want to open the Cursor AI application on your computer. Now, I understand that finding the right application can sometimes be tricky, especially if your desktop is cluttered with icons. So, make sure you're clicking on the cursor icon, which should be located wherever you've saved it, either on your taskbar, desktop, or within your Applications folder. Once you have the application open and running, take a look at the top of your screen. There, you'll see a menu bar, which is standard on most software applications. In this menu bar, you're looking for the option labeled Cursor. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with various options. In this drop-down menu, you'll see Settings. Go ahead and select it. This will open up a new window where you can manage different aspects of the application. In the Settings window, your focus will be on the General tab. Usually, it lands on this tab by default, but ensure you're in the right place by selecting it if needed. Now scroll all the way to the bottom of this section. Here you'll find the Logout button. Give it a click. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm that you wish to log out. This safety measure ensures you don't accidentally log out. Confirm the action, and just like that, you'll be logged out of your current account in Cursor AI. Once you're logged out, you will be directed to the login screen. This is where you'll have the chance to input credentials for the new account you'd like to use. Here, simply enter the details of the account you wish to switch to. This typically involves typing in your email address or another form of username, followed by your password. After entering these new details, proceed to log in. If everything is correct, you should find yourself fully logged into a new account. And there you go. That's how you successfully switch accounts in Cursor AI. It's a simple process, but knowing precisely where to click and what to select can save you time and help you avoid the frustration of rummaging through menus. So, whenever you need to change accounts, just follow these steps and you'll be set. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials.